This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Pharming Group NV, a biotech company focused on treatments for rare diseases. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PHAR. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy PHAR, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the basic process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PHAR to locate Pharming Group NV. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker PHAR to make sure this is the correct asset. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as specified, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if there are insufficient funds before confirmation. After the trade executes, your PHAR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to explore the platform further.